Congratulations on your purchase of the AOL TV set-top box. This video will quickly and easily walk you through the following steps to set up your equipment and get you ready to start using the AOL TV service. First, we'll review the items that came with your AOL TV set-top box. Next, we'll walk you through connecting the cables to your equipment. And in our third and final step, we'll show you how to set up your service. The whole process should take less than 30 minutes, and if you have questions at any point, feel free to give the AOL TV customer service team a call. They'll be happy to help you out. So let's get started by looking at what comes in the box. The very first thing you should do is watch this video. Since you're already doing that, you're on the right track. The next item you'll need is the Quick Start Installation Guide. It provides easy, step-by-step instructions on how to set up all of the hardware. However, if you require more detailed information, you can refer to the user manual. Next is the AOL TV set-top box. It's the brains behind the AOL TV service. It comes with a wireless keyboard so you can type email messages and control all the other features of the system. And since it works with your TV, the set-top box comes with a universal remote control as well. You should have 2 batteries for the remote control and 4 batteries for the keyboard. All of the wires you'll need are included with your AOL TV set-top box. The one that looks like your cable TV wire is called the coaxial cable, and this is the telephone wire. There's also a phone splitter, which lets you connect your telephone and the AOL TV unit into the same phone jack. And if you want to connect your stereo system to the AOL TV box, you can use these RCA cables. This is called the IR Blaster. The AOL TV set-top box uses it to control your cable box and your VCR. Before going any further, check to make sure you have all of the parts we just mentioned. If anything is missing from your package, just call AOL customer service and they'll be happy to help you out. Their phone number is listed in the Frequently Asked Questions section of the Quick Start Installation Guide. The Quick Start Installation Guide gives you easy instructions for setting up your hardware. Step 1 is to install the batteries in the keyboard and the remote. It's easy. Just unclip the small door on the back of the remote or keyboard and insert the batteries so they line up like the pictures inside the compartment. Then snap the compartment door shut. To help you figure out the best way to set up the AOL TV set-top box with your equipment, we've included a simple chart to identify what equipment you have and which diagram you should use when connecting everything. As an example for this video, we'll assume that you have a VCR and a cable box, so we'll be using diagram D. We'll now show you how to set up the AOL TV set-top box with a VCR and cable box using the coaxial cables. Diagram D shows you how to connect the AOL TV unit to your cable box, your VCR, your TV, your telephone line, and finally, how to plug it in. All you have to do is follow the simple step-by-step instructions on the page. First, disconnect the end of the coaxial cable that's currently connected to in from antenna on your VCR. On some VCRs, this connector may say VCR in, from cable or antenna in. Now, plug the cable into RF in on the AOL TV unit. Simply insert the end straight into where it says RF in and screw it on. Make sure you tighten it securely. Next, take the coax cable that came with the AOL TV unit and connect one end into RF out on the AOL TV set-top box. Now screw the other end of the coax cable into in from antenna on your VCR. Be sure to tighten both ends of the cable securely. The TV is now connected to the VCR. and the VCR is connected to the AOL TV box. The next step is to connect the phone wire so you'll be able to dial up the AOL TV service. All you need to do is plug one end of the phone wire into the socket labeled Tel line and plug the other end of the wire into the wall outlet. If the phone wall jack is already being used for your phone, you can use the phone splitter to plug your phone and the AOL TV box into the same phone jack. All you have to do is unplug the phone wire from the wall and plug the phone splitter in. Now replug the telephone wire into one side and your AOL TV cord into the other side of the splitter. If you don't have a phone jack close to your AOL TV set-top box, see your local consumer electronics retailer about purchasing a wireless modem jack. The IR blasters are what the AOL TV unit uses to control your cable box and your VCR. This end plugs into the small socket that's labeled IR blaster. On the other end, there are two blasters. All you need to do is point one at your VCR and the other one at your cable box. The IR blasters allow your Phillips AOL TV set-top box to beam signals to your cable box and VCR for tuning channels and recording. These IR blasters are designed to tuck under most equipment, directly in front of each piece of equipment's IR sensor, which usually looks like a small dark window in the front panel. Be sure to line up a direct, uninterrupted line of sight between the IR blaster and IR sensor. If you cannot locate the IR sensor on a particular piece of equipment, refer to your user manual for that device. Now that everything's connected, all that's left to do is plug it in. Take the power cord and plug one end into the plug that says mains. Now plug the other end of the cord into your wall socket. Once it's plugged in, your AOL TV unit will automatically power up. That's it. Now you're ready to set up your AOL TV service. To start the setup program, you need to turn on your cable box, VCR, and TV. Make sure that both your TV and VCR are tuned to channel 3. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the AOL TV Setup welcome screen on your TV. If the welcome screen doesn't appear, then take a look at the Frequently Asked Questions section of the Quick Start Installation Guide. It will help you get your system up and running. For additional information, check the User's Manual. If you are still having difficulties, call AOL TV's customer service team for help. Their phone number is located on the Frequently Asked Questions page of the Quick Start Installation Guide. After the setup program has come up on the screen, it's going to ask you a set of questions that will do 3 things. First, it will identify the make and model of all the hardware you just connected. Second, it will set up your dial-up connection so you can connect to the AOL TV service through a local phone call. And third, it will set up your AOL TV account so you can access all of the great features on the AOL TV service. From here on, the setup program will walk you through the rest of the basic steps necessary to begin using the AOL TV service. Simply follow the instructions on your screen, and before you know it, you'll be experiencing the new and exciting world of AOL TV. Welcome to the future of television. Welcome to AOL TV.